Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill, insurance broker. Yesterday there was a talk about auto insurance premium going down in the Ontario budget. So I will say that do not take much of from it, because all they say is they'll give you more options to take less coverage so that your premium goes down. It will only affect those people who are already poor or cannot afford the insurance, and if something happens to their vehicle, and even if they have third party coverage, and if it's not their fault, their vehicle will not be covered if they don't take direct compensation and property damage coverage, which is mandatory before but not anymore. You can take that off if you want, but make sure that even if you are not at fault, you will not be covered for your vehicle damage. So this will impact a lot of people who are struggling already to make ends meet, and they have only vehicle, and is cutting more benefits from their insurance policy to reduce the cost is not a good way. So there should be a way where they can still enjoy those benefits, and there will be a less premium. Then you can say you gain something. It's just like you want to pay for your car less, like you're buying a car, but you don't want to pay that much price. The dealer say, okay, we will take the roof off and we take the windows out. You can drive it like a motorcycle and it will be half the price. Will you buy that? So do not get into these politicians' talk. They always try to confuse you. I have one customer, he called me that he need bare bone insurance, bare bone. I said, okay, third party. He said, no, third party, I even less than that. Bare bone, I don't need a direct compensation of property damage. Oh my God, where the hell he learned about this reduction of coverage? And I know that person very well, that that was his only car, and now he don't want to get direct compensation and property damage. I did give him insurance based on his choice, but I made sure I get from him in writing that I told him clearly that if you take direct compensation property damage coverage out from your auto insurance, even you are not at fault, your vehicle will not be covered. So he signed it, dated it, and I put it in the file, and then I give him insurance. Because as a insurance professional, it's our duty to show you all the benefits and all the extras that you can get, or if at least the regular insurance. And if you are still cutting corners, want less than what you should be having, then we get a declaration signed from you that you understand that you took the chance. But I don't recommend people taking direct compensation of property damage out from the cars especially. But if you are having a trucks going to US, and then you can choose if you do not want to get a DCPD, like a direct compensation of property damage, because that benefit is only benefiting if you are in Ontario. If you're not in Ontario, then you don't get benefit from that DCPD coverage. So, but for regular folks who are driving back and forth from work or commuting within the 100-kilometer area or within the city or going here and there within Ontario, you don't need to take direct compensation property damage coverage out, because you can budget your things somewhere else and cut somewhere else, but do not cut on insurance, which is very important. Make sure you have all the accident benefit coverage and third party coverage at least. And I recommend full coverage, because in third party, when you are at fault, your vehicle is not covered, and you are not getting rental car, and you are not getting covered for any towing cost. So you have to have all those expenses on yourself when you are at fault and you are stuck on the highway. Then tow truck need $500 towing cost, and then you need rental car, and you also lost your car because there's a lot of damage mostly in these cars. It's just worthless to repair it, especially if you have old car and where you have third party coverage. So that's few of my suggestions. So if you have any question, give me a call at 416-831-0215. I'm based in Mississauga near the airport. My office is there, but you can always call me, and you don't have to come to office. We can talk over the phone. And but be aware of these benefits and do not cut corners on insurance. Make sure you have sufficient insurance, and don't let the politicians think you otherwise. Thanks for watching.